Good morning all. In this video, we will talk about the new feature introduced in 24.11 version related to the product lifecycle management. With this feature, we can see the active product assignments for the attribute combinations in Excel planning view or the planners workspace planning view or in analytics charts. Okay, this feature is actually related to the product lifecycle management. Let's say you have a new product introduced in the market and which doesn't have any a sales history, right? So that's when we actually use this product lifecycle management application, right, to have the product assignments. So you don't need to switch to a product lifecycle app every time to see the product assignments. Let's say you got a new product, and to check the product assignments for that new product, you don't need to switch to product lifecycle app. You can directly see that in your planners workspace or even in Excel planning view, or again in analytics charts as well. Okay, so what are all the prerequisites that are needs to be configured to view this information in Excel or a planners workspace or in analytics charts? The first thing is that in your product lifecycle settings, there is a product assignments level, right? So as you see in the screenshot, let's say the product ID is considered as a product assignment level 1, and that product ID has to be there in your planning view, the planning view of our Excel add-in or the planners workspace or in analytics chart as well. So let's say you have chosen the product assignment as assignment level as a different attribute. The same attribute has to be there in your planning view or analytics chart for sure to view this product assignments. And the other setting is that the business catalog for this product assignment component, right? This is the uh, business catalog for that component, and that needs to be assigned to your business role. Then only you can see that information, the product assignment information, either in Excel or workspace, planners workspace, or in analytics charts. Okay, and these are the three apps where you can display this product assignments information. First thing is of course Excel add-in, the other one is a Planet Workspace. Then the last one is Analytic Chart. Okay, and let's see how it would be displayed in Excel add-in. Okay, as you see in the screen, right, I have actually two attributes added here: location and the customer ID. And whereas if you have seen in my screenshot, my product level assignment is actually product ID, and there is no product ID added in this planning view. So if I right click on this attribute, any attribute, let's say location ID or a customer ID, just right click there. When you right click, you usually get the options relevant to EPM settings, correct? So I've just right clicked on it. You see here you have normal options like a quick edit planning view where you can add attribute, delete attribute, those things, and show details. This would display the details relevant to that attribute, but there is no option to see the product assignments here because you haven't added the product ID, which is actually the product assignment level in your settings, right? So now what I do, I'll go to edit view, add the product ID. Okay, now click on OK. Okay, you see here my product ID is available now in the planning view, and my laptop 3 is actually a new product which is having a product assignments in the product lifecycle app. Right now I can click on any attribute here, let's say location ID or a customer ID, with respect to that new product, right? That I'll just right click here. You see the option open, right? Open, and it was not there before, right? When I just select that open, it will say product assignment. So when I click on this product assignments, a new pop-up would come up with a product assignments information. So this is where you can see the full information. You can maximize this pop-up or minimize it. Okay, as you see here, so my laptop 3 is having a reference product, laptop 2, and the weight is 80% and valid from and valid to dates. Okay, you can also see offset days as well. By default, this product assignment screen would be visible to your right, I mean on the right side screen, and you can drag it and drop it somewhere. You can even maximize it. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions on this topic, you can put a comment in the comment section, or if you have any doubts on any other topic, Again, you can put a comment on the comment section. I've seen some comments that the people wanted to have some videos on some topics. I'll be doing those videos and putting in the YouTube. Okay, thank you very much.